Hello and welcome back to the Onteacher. Today we're continuing our minifigure project, and just to remind us before we got started, we've got our left mouse button on the right, we've got our left mouse button on the red and our right mouse button on the blue. Now I've just went to create a new document called minifigure. Now the reason I've done that is so far we've created both parts in different part studios, so they're not in the same part studio, which is a common mistake people make. So I want to show you how you can fix that. Now you can do it one of two ways. You can go into Lego Head, we can click the Part Studio and move to Documents, and you click Other Documents, and you go through and find it, and you can press Move. Now what tends to happen if you do Move, it gets rid of it. The other option is we can press Copy to Clipboard, come out and then go into Minifigure, and we should paste Tab. And now you've got your head in the Part Studio. So we just need to rename that head. I can go back and do the same. So we can click on Body, Part Studio, right click, copy to Clipboard, back into Minifigure, right click, right, oops, sorry, not right click, it's the plus, paste Tab. And now we've got both parts. I can rename this. We've got both parts in the same Part Studio. And if you go back, you've still got your original pieces there that you can play about with. So I'm going to go back into Minifigure, and we're going to make our next part. So this is the preferred way of doing it. If you can do it as parts in one Part Studio, it works really well. If I want to add the head to this, I can do that as well. Okay, so to do that, we click on the Derive tool. We select the Part Studio, which is going to be head, and it's going to come automatically in. Now we can't do anything much with it there, apart from click Transform. We're going to transform by distance, direction. We'll click that top one, and I can make. There we go. So that's just put all our parts into one piece. In this video, we'll look at adding the legs. I've been the Onteacher. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you soon.